Hey, what's up? This is Kevin Thrasher from Escape the Fate. Some of the main challenges I've had as growing up as a musician are actually the changes in social media, the way we present music. When I was first starting out, we would just do local concerts, and then as I got a bit older, we would do tours across the country. But then with the changing in times, we had Facebook, MySpace, Pure Volume, and all these other sites that were so complicated. I think some of the main struggles that artists are facing today with music promotion is that there's so many artists out there. And I think, you know, a way to really get your brand across and your music across is to have solid content, great songs. I mean, every artist's career starts at a hit song. Really crafting what your band is and defining who you are as an artist. Common business skill I see that artists are lacking is just some of the simple things, which is branding, being consistent with who you are as an artist, as well as, you know, getting your music on the right platforms, getting your music on the right places to be seen, heard, and connecting with your fans on a regular basis. And then if your fans, you know, are interacting with you and you build relationships one at a time, then they'll multiply. Some of the challenges that we face in the music industry today is that everything is geared more towards streaming. So now with the music business changing, it's not selling CDs anymore, really. It's more geared around the concerts that we're playing. So that's why a band like my band last year, we played over 200 dates last year. That's our biggest source of revenue. A couple things to keep in mind is to, you know, when you're starting your band, look at it as a business. So when your band is making money, put that money back into your band so you're not spending it all. Try to build your bank up, because in the future you'll need to use that money to put deposits on buses, to buy new merchandise, down to producing your own music. In 2019, it's about the artist taking control of their business fully in all aspects. And then once you reach a point where you have so much happening, then that, I think, is the time to get management. Yeah, if I were to go back in time and change things to, you know, help my career path, I would have, you know, really taken control of things, really look at the numbers, look at the statistics, and make those moves based on those things, and make sure I surround myself around people that have, you know, my best interests at hand, and, you know, respectable people. Some of the tough lessons that I've learned in the past are, you know, honestly, it has to do with drugs and alcohol. At times, those have created serious roadblocks for the band, as, you know, other people won't want to work with the band, or else they'll do something crazy that will cancel shows perhaps, and, you know, it's really a liability. After every show, no matter whether we have meet and greets or not, or no matter how tired I am, I always make it a point to go meet as many fans as possible. And I think that's a huge key to success. Is like, I think on my Instagram following, like, everyone that comments or likes my photos are people that I personally have met and talked to at one point in time. And that keeps you really grounded too, because not only for them, but for you, we're sharing our lives, we're sharing experiences. You know, you don't realize sometimes how much a song can affect someone.